Right, what I've done this morning is, this is second part, I just put the straight recording whilst I was hoovering. Like I will keep repeating, it likes to be the noisiest, so you can capture stuff in, like hoovering and stuff, loud noises. I've got loads of hoovering ones, but I've put this one on you now, and it's blatant, it's obvious. You can hear this quite clearly, so yeah, it's very interesting stuff. So what will come on next now will be the Adobe demonstration of the last night's cleaning audio clip I put on. This is a little bit of audio demonstration from that. Okay, thanks for watching, please subscribe, and I send my love to all targeted individuals and anyone who isn't involved in this corruption, evilness. I send my love, thank you very much.